Hi beauties, it's Jean Piersanti with Beauty and the Stamper, and guess what? I found more bags at Michael's. So we've got, these look like they are from the bakery section. We will have to look. I think I see some like sprinkly stuff here, and that one I was able to read that said I think, but it looks like there's some molds in here. We'll check them out. Here's another one. Look at how huge this is. That looks like it is a carrier of some sort. And then there's another one, and I have no idea what that is. I'm hoping this is a cake pan because I know those are well worth the $5. So let's break into these and see what we've got this time. So the Michael's that I'm getting this one is at, it was Glendale. So I went to the Northern Peoria Crossing one, and that was on the earlier. And now let's look. It does, okay, I gotta look at the cake pan thing here. It is cake pans, you guys. It's three. It's a 3-in-1 cake pan. So it's been opened, but that's okay. I'm gonna have to check with my aunt, see if these are a good buy. I'm thinking they are 3 pans. And then look how gigantic that pan is. And then they have on here that it's like for like a wedding tiered cake. So, holy smokes. I'm excited about that. Definitely well worth the $5, I'm assuming. These are 3 different little guys. Well, each of these are $2.99 each. And they are those like little jelly sticker things. We've got that one that says give thanks. We've got some scarecrows and pumpkins. And then we've got a turkey with some gobble gobble going on there. So very nice. What is this? This was originally $25.99 and it was on sale $16 for the clearance. And it says, here comes the bride. How cute is that? Very nice. I don't know anybody who's getting married, but I think that will probably be going on my Etsy shop at a deeply discounted price. I mean, if I could make my $5 back from some of this stuff, definitely think it's worth it for me, especially for things that I'm not going to be able to use. Okie dokie, here we go. We've got some napkins. These were originally $3.99. Some of this stuff I wouldn't buy on my own, like these are number 4 sprinkles. And originally $3.99. This was originally $31.99. And you guys, it is exactly what I thought it was, like cake or cupcake holder. And it also looks like it can tear up. Look at, can you see that? Great deal. And I think that gigantic cake will fit in there. All right, what is this? This is a number mold. It's Wilton. Originally $3.99. The number 8. 2 number 8s. We've got more. We've got tons of sprinkles, but I think it was well worth the $5 just in that. I don't know if I can hold all of these. This does not include the 2 4s that I originally showed. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And they are different numbers. Here's some 6s, a 0, a 9, which is different from the 6. That's funny. We've got 6s and 9s. We've got 9, another 4, a 2, another 4, and another 0. So there we go. We've got those. That was from bag number 2. And then this is bag number 3. And I think, again, this is baking stuff. They did have a lot of Halloween stuff. These have, oh, some of them are broken. Originally $6.29, clearance for $3. They're little pumpkin, or not pumpkins, pineapples for your cupcakes there. Definitely going to be making my way over to my aunt's to see if these are good or not. Decorator icing, chocolate. I don't know what the dates are here. I don't know. I'm looking to see if they have, this is a stiff icing is what it says. And I do not see an expiration date on it. There is no expiration. What is this? Oh, look at this. Oh, I'm super excited, you guys. This was originally $7.49. Clearance down to 2. Oh, I thought it was a heart. What is this? I like it as a heart. I'm going to be using it as a heart, but it is a... Does that look like a heart? Tell me what you think it looks like. Maybe it is a T. Is that a T? It might be a T, but I think it's going to be a heart because look. Doesn't that look like a heart? Here, I'll show you the... There you go. I don't know, but it's a wax mold thing. What's it called? I don't know what it's called. Yeah, envelope seal. So, all right. I wonder if there's any more of those in there. We also have a Pinewood Derby polishing kit, originally $3.80. We've got some ribbon cutter wheels. So these are for, it's Wilton, so it has to be for baking. Oh my goodness. Look at all these. These were originally $3.99. So many. There's so many more in here. So much. They are molds of different letters. We've got a W, a D, a Z or Z. What else? There's a P for Piersanti, another W, an S, an F, L, another S, N, O, Y, Z, Q, B, V, another D, a number 9 or a 6, whatever the case may be, another Y, a C, a U, a T, a D, an F, an I, a Q, an X, and an M. No J's. What is this? This is a little mold here. Originally $4.99. And they look like they are little buses or maybe a train. See, because these are different than those. So I'm thinking they are a train. And it does not say what it is. That noise, that is my chicken finishing in the air fryer. Oh my goodness. These were originally $6.29 And they are cupcake icing decorations of flamingos. How cute is that? I love it. Okay, you guys, I think I have definitely gotten my money's worth. Each bag, $15, and one of them came up with a $32 price point. I don't know what those round cake pans sell for, but I'm thinking $5 is a deal. And then all of this stuff, this guy alone is $7, and then this bride thing was $25. So we will see what everything is. Like, I'm so excited. I will put some of it on my Etsy shop. I'll put a link down below, so if you wanted to check out my Etsy shop ever and want to grab anything, you can just check it out there. And then also, if I get any more bags, I'm super excited. I'm going crazy on these bags. I never get really good bags like this. So it's starting to get late in the day. Fingers crossed, maybe we can find some more still. All right, I will talk to you later. Have a great day. Bye.